It's been 2 weeks since Wales saw its first local lockdown in Caerphilly. Measures were introduced by the Welsh Government following a rise in coronavirus cases there. But are the measures having an effect? First Minister of Wales, Mark Drakeford, certainly thinks so. During the coronavirus press conference, the First Minister said that the early signs were encouraging, but despite the latest figures from Public Health Wales showing a decline in cases, he added that this drop must now be sustained. New cases in the borough fell to 11 on Tuesday. Mr Drakeford also spoke about how Wales was not facing the same challenges as other areas in the UK and that the picture in the country was a mixed one, with areas of South Wales seeing high levels of infection and possible community transmission, with areas of West and North Wales seeing rates of a much lower scale. Despite the variance in cases, there are now new licensing rules, which mean a new curfew of 10 p.m. for bars, cafes and restaurants, and only table service is to be permitted. However, the First Minister hopes that punters will not see this as an opportunity to drink as much alcohol as they can before 10 p.m. before going off to a house party. But with some people feeling the strain of self-isolation more than others, the Welsh Government said they will be providing a £500 payment to support people on low incomes. And despite 6 South Wales counties going into lockdown over the last 2 weeks, there is currently no sign of anywhere else in the country following suit just yet. The First Minister added that these 6 areas were the trigger point and that efforts were being concentrated on these hotspot areas for now. But for somewhere like Cardiff, although there are no new measures there, the effect of the lockdown in areas surrounding the Welsh capital may have quite an effect indeed. But whether or not these local lockdowns will help curb the spread of the virus in South Wales is something only time will tell.